Maybe you are just as lucky as I am and have a chestnut forest close to you. This year, I brought a lot of them home. I wanted to make crème de marrons. It is a seasonal chestnut spread, which is gonna have a hint of clove and a touch of vanilla. You are going to start by scoring your chestnuts. This will help them open up in the roasting process. You're going to roast them until you can easily remove the outer shell. Once removed, you're going to put them in a pot and boil for around 25 minutes. Once they are done boiling, you're going to keep them in the water and take them out one by one, only to remove the really hard parts of the inner shell. No problem if there should be some breakage. You're going to puree them anyways. I love making it a little bit seasonal, so I'm going to add around 3 cloves. You grind them in your mortar and pestle, transfer them over to a pan and fry until you can smell all the aromas. Then add your chestnut and roast a little bit to bring out the flavors even more. Then transfer all of your roasted chestnuts into a food processor. You can add some water, which will help the mixing a lot. Just keep in mind the more water you add, the more time your puree will need to cook. In a pan, add water, sugar and vanilla. Let it come to a bubbly boil. Then you're going to add your chestnut puree. No problem if it does not come together right away. Keep whisking and you will get a nice puree. Put your glasses on a wet towel, fill them up, and you are set for the fall. It is a delicious topping for yogurt, and it can be used as a perfect baking ingredient, for example as a filling for cookies. Enjoy!